So this is the Mobapad A1 switch dock, which is targeting a switch or a switch OLED with a Pro controller setup. Now this dock is very unique because of its style and just how it looks, which also gives it some unique functionality in this particular space. Let's dive in and talk about this particular dock. Now this dock comes with a few things. It comes with two adapters that controls or connects your controllers to it so it can charge on the dock itself. It comes with their proprietary one to charge their controller, and then it comes with another adapter that controls or charges the Pro controller, which is pretty nice. Now the dock itself is pretty much really unique, has a really unique design, which I've never seen a dock look anything like this one. It looks very unique and it has a unique vibe that has the 8-bit look to it. I don't know, it just resonates with me, just how it looks. Now on the back of it, it has a Type-C port, an HDMI, and a Type-A port, which a lot of adapters or docks do have. I just wish they had a LAN cable port additional to those ports, which would have given it a little bit more edge in my opinion. Now let's connect or attach one of these adapters onto the controller to show you exactly how it works. Now pretty much all you have to do is just pull it out the box, plug it in to the controller itself, and that's it. It's all ready and ready to go. And then once it's ready, you just put it on the dock itself and it charges the controller. Now there's another thing I want to talk about, which is the other con, which it takes a little while to charge. And I would say charge your controller first, then put it on there, because my controller was pretty much dead and it wouldn't charge it. But otherwise from that, I had a very good experience with this dock. It had really good ease of use, being able to play a session, put it down, have it charge, and I was ready to go whenever I am ready to play once more. There's some other functionalities that I like, which is being able to just put my Switch down on there, maybe playing on the go, and just drop it in there and it would just charge my Switch. Also being able to connect to my monitor. That's the next thing I want to talk about. The next thing is it takes a little while to connect to my monitor. I don't know if it's my monitor or just how this device just takes a long time to do so, but I don't know if it's just my use case scenario with my monitor, but I put it down and it took a while. It took a while to connect from the dock itself. I had to be pressing the controller for it to connect, which I don't know why, but it just took a while to come up on screen. Now that could be just my monitor, as I said, but I wanted to just bring that out and show you guys that was one of the things I had with it. Now, other from that, I love the aesthetic of this device. It just looks pretty cool, and having a charge controller at any time with just the ease of use of just picking up my controller, putting it down when I'm done, and using it at any time. Love the design, as I said, and I think that's pretty much wraps up this video. If you guys want to see more videos like this, stay tuned for more. So that's it. I'll see you guys.